guys, you're watching Hesa Creations. So today I have my friend over here. Her name is Shihara. So today we're gonna be making bracelets and necklaces. And she also got the same. Show it. Yeah, we both got the same over here. And look how much cute bracelets and necklaces you can make. See, they're so cool. And we're gonna be making some bracelets. Are you gonna be making bracelets or necklaces? Oh, you're gonna be making bracelets. I'm also gonna be making bracelets. So we're gonna make the same. So let's get started with this. So now we got everything out of here. Look, we have all the beads over here. Now we're gonna start. First we're gonna get the thread from here. And we're gonna get it out. Get some thread out so we can make the bracelet. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's not coming out. Okay. Think that should be enough. It should be enough. I'm gonna grab the scissors and cut it. There we go. Gonna tie the other one. There we go. Put it in here. Now we have this. It sort of looks like we can make a necklace out of it. I think I'll make a necklace actually. No, it's too much. I'm gonna cut some because it is too short for a necklace. And okay, there we go. We can use one of these threads. I'm actually gonna make 2 bracelets. How many bracelets are you gonna make? Whoa, that's a lot. Do you think you have enough strings for that? Enough thread for that? No, right? So I'm gonna be making 2. How much are you gonna be making? 1 or 2 or 3? Okay, I'm gonna be making 2. 2. Alright. Let me get the beads. Okay, what do you guys want? Let's choose some diamonds. How about that? There's some clear things, but first we have to add something for the middle. We have these beautiful flowers with 3 colors. Which color? Red, blue, or green? I'm gonna go with the red. And the next one I'm gonna get the blue or the pink. I don't know. For the next bracelet. Let me just... It's quite hard to put them in. Alright, we got the first bead in here. Now, time to do the other beads. What are we gonna do for the other beads? I'm gonna add like some toffees. I'm gonna add red toffees. I think it'll be like red theme, but yeah, I think I can add the red theme, but I don't think I have all the for red. What? You finished? That was one of your previous ones. No, you actually didn't. Guys, did you see her did it? Comment below if you saw her did it. Okay, now we're gonna just keep putting them. We got these beautiful lanterns. We got 2 of them. Maybe we can do it? But I'll save these for the blue one. Alright, how about these purple kind of like shells? They're 2 purple shells. Okay. But I don't think these will match. So I'm gonna get another one. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna get the pink and the purple thing. The pink diamond and the purple diamond. First I'm gonna put the purple diamond in here. And you just gotta do this like how much charms you would like in here. Just gotta do that. Yeah, how much ever charms, whatever charms you want. So we got beads over here, different colors. We got these circly things, different colors. We got the clear things, different colors. Ooh, we got like lucky leaf thingies over here. And we got lanterns and toffees over here. Let me just show you. There. And we got flowers and a bow. This bow was from my sister. I got that. And we got like these little ball thingies. And we got like shell heart things. Yeah. So we just gotta apply them, and we're gonna see you after we put all the beads, okay? And for the first one. Then when we're moving to the second one, we'll show you how to do that again, okay? Bye! Alright guys, so these are our final results, and look, I made this beautiful bracelet. It has like a flower, and she made a beautiful one too. Show it. You have to put it in your hand like this. Then show it. You can show it like that. Yeah, her one's beautiful too. Let me just get it more. Now you can show. Yeah. Look at that. Wow, that is very beautiful. So, we're moving on to the next bracelet. Okay. So, she actually she actually like did like the halfway of the second bracelet. I don't know why, but let's start. Let me get. Oh sure, we have another one of. We don't have a flower that is red again, but we do have a circle, a big circle, like the flower. It's red, but I'm gonna choose the pink one actually. Yeah. And I'm gonna get the seashells for the first time. I didn't add seashells from this one. I think, yeah, I didn't add. I'm gonna get the purple seashells for this one. And I'm gonna get the yellow beads for this one. I'm actually gonna get the thread out because these things crawl away. Crawl. Yeah, you heard me. Crawl away. Okay. Now, what else? From the clear one, what should we get from the clear one? I'm actually gonna get these lanterns. And what are you getting? You can show us too. I'm gonna get this one. And now I'm gonna get the blue gem and the purple gem. I don't really know if they match, so I'm gonna get them anyway. So, how about these ones? I didn't use these green clear things. Let me just show you. These ones, I used gems, but not these ones. The gems were what my sister gave me. I'm gonna get these two green clear, I don't know, hose thingies? I don't know what they are. Okay, I think that should be enough for the other one. Look, let me just show you guys over here. So look. Alright. That's what I got. Those are the gems. Now let's start. Let me just get the pinky one on the first try. Alright, let me get that. A lot of concentration. Yeah, because the circle ones are the hardest to put the thread in. Oh, not now. Now it's easy. I don't know how that came. Okay. Now I think I'll get these ones now. These ones. Yeah, I'm gonna get those ones now. Which side should I put them? Should I put them this side or this side? I think I'm gonna put them this side. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now I think I'm gonna add the lanterns now. Actually, these lanterns, my sister gave them to me. I think I mentioned that. What? You finished so soon? Show it. You're finishing very, very soon, you know. How about we'll add the clear ones now? Let's start with the gems. And finish up with the pearls, like what I did for this one. See, finished it up with a pink pearl. Yeah. Oh, the blue pearl, not the pearl, the blue gem. I'm gonna add these ones. I'm almost done. 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 Okay, I just got to put the last bead in. Let me just put this. And did you finish yet, Shiara?
Yeah, I finished.
Oh, okay. I just have the last bead. Then I am finished. Oh, oh no, no, no. Oh no. It pooped out. Yeah, you don't think it's funny, okay. Yes. What? Which what? Oh, hand. Okay. I'm choosing right. Right hand. Choosing right hand. Did I get it? Yay! Oh, what is it? Bracelet! Free bracelet! Wow! Okay, now I just gotta tie it. Oh no! It fell again! It's fine, I can put it back again. I can put it back again now. I'll just get this over here.
Now you can do Vivi. I will bring this for you.
Please try to get this. Okay. Let's just put the last. I think this will be the last nut over here. Oh no. Okay, wait. I'll just put this over here. This over here. Okay. I think it should be enough nuts over here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, no more. I think not no more. Not no more, but we need to add more nuts. Cause I'm going nuts. Alright. I think I'm finished right now. Yeah, I actually finished mine. So, shall we end the video now? Yeah, right? Because we're done. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to press that like button and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and hit the like and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified and be the first one to watch our newly posted videos like this. Bye guys!